ass tape.
It's your girl Destiny Mariah though.
It's your boy Stephen Joe, you heard me?
Yum.
You already know we out
It's the
just
sneaker
snapping.
knocker.
Yo, this nigga crazy, and I'm crazy too. Yeah, platinum sounds, baby.
Don JoJo, yeah, I be the best rapper. If you ain't with it or don't get it, then I might have to go and slap you.
Destiny and Stephen Joe, that's a crazy combo. And if you ain't with it, you can hit the dough. FLA, baby, 954. 305 Miami, baby, that's where we go. Everybody know our name, swag so clean. Yeah, this is a freestyle, now what I mean. Can't nobody stop me, so come on the team. Destiny Mariah, Twitter, baby, follow me.
It's the sneaker knocker.
This is my year. I'm snapping this year. 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 This is my year.
It's the sneaker knocker.
Yes, she snapped, but I snap harder. I carry the heat for my team like Mario Chalmers. I'm at a point in my life, I don't even need to holler. If you ain't on my level, I won't even bother. I go dumb, my nigga, I get retarded. Any beat I jump on, I'm straight demolished.
Oh, you tryna clown me? And you think it's funny? I'm about to go in, baby, you don't know me. I'm a little lady, all these females hate me. #1 star, you better take notes. Yeah, I'm coming for ya, Stephen Joe.
Girl, who you finna try? Not me. Even crossing gods couldn't even stop me. Yo, I deliver hard. Bitch, I'm on my job. I'll go get it myself, nigga. That's no problem.
No, I'm not even done. I'ma treat you like a kid, little boy, little son. Now let me bring my tone down to a 2. I know I'm going in on you. Yeah, you might as well call it Kung Fu, cause you know I'm beating you.
Hold up, little mama. This is called child abuse. We can settle it or be even, or we could call it a truce.
I'm looking like a Cambodian, nail salon agent, ready to book your flight. Please don't fight, cause I might bite. Yeah, you real. I'm mature out here, but that's why I got the Glock. Anyways, shouts out to Platinum Sounds. Shouts out to Tremaine T Vision. That boy gonna give you a vision. He gonna make you go transfer colleges because you know why? You need a new dermatologist. Yeah, I just rhymed. Learn your. Shout out to Busta Rhymes. Shout out to my mama. Shout out to Jerry Wonder. Shout out to T Vision.
Yum, straight like that. 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 Yum, swag. Yum, swag. Yum, swag. Yum, swag. Yum,